CAPSIM 2025-2026 Strategy Walkthrough for winning all 8 rounds. Hello everyone, and welcome to this CAPSIM Strategy Masterclass. This video will walk you through a winning strategy that has consistently helped teams achieve top results, including a perfect score of 999 in Capsim GlobalDNA simulations, specifically for Season 4, Route 1. Whether you're playing CAPSIM 2025 or 2026, this strategy will guide you round by round, from product development to marketing, finance, and production, ensuring your team dominates the leaderboard. 1. Understanding the game setup. We begin by reviewing the Industry Conditions Report, a critical document that outlines specifications, customer expectations, and growth rates for each market and segment. In this scenario, we are operating in 3 market regions, America, Europe, Asia Pacific, and we focus on 2 customer segments, budget performance. Each segment has different preferences in terms of price, age, service life, and carbon emissions, ozone impact. Take note of these carefully, as aligning your product specifications with customer expectations is key to success. 2. Round 1 Strategy. Start simple, think long-term. In Round 1, we start with only one product in the budget segment. However, this product can be sold to both budget and performance segments, although it's optimized for budget. Even if the pricing is too low for the performance segment, it can still generate early sales. That's a temporary approach. From Round 4 onward, we'll dedicate each product to a single segment for maximum efficiency. 3. Adding new products. Your R&D decisions are essential. By the end of Round 3, we should have 3 products, 1 for the budget segment, 2 for the performance segment, ideally staggered in release. You can add a 4th product if you're confident in your capacity and financing. But 3 is sufficient for strong performance. When you add a new product, remember, don't raise automation too quickly, or it will delay product launch. Plan product launches to coincide with market demand and available capacity. 4. Pricing and marketing. Round 1 to Round 8. In the marketing module, your Round 1 priority is price. Set your base price at $34, which is optimal for most markets. Then, use a pricing spreadsheet, available for free by emailing integration2012@gmail.com, to quickly calculate prices across all market regions, keeping them within 50 cents of the maximum allowed price per segment. This ensures competitiveness without sacrificing margin. Also, make sure to enable product sales in all 3 markets. Click the green button. Even if Asia Pacific doesn't bring strong sales at first, keep investing to grow awareness and accessibility in the long term. 5. Promotion and sales budget. In early rounds, your primary objective is to build customer awareness and accessibility. Allocate a strong promotion and sales budget. Adjust these based on the segment, market, location, whether the product is new or mature. Remember, early investment pays off later with stronger brand presence and customer loyalty. 6. Sales forecasting and demand allocation. This is one of the most critical steps for winning CAPSIM. In the bottom right corner of the marketing screen, you'll see total market demand, segment specific demand, your forecasted share. In Round 1, you only have one product, so you'll sell to both segments. That's okay early on. But from Round 4 onwards, assign one product per segment and forecast sales accordingly. Use the segment demand x your market share formula to estimate your sales forecast accurately. 7. Production strategy. Here's where many teams lose points, either by underproducing or wasting budget on unnecessary capacity. Key production tips: don't sell off your existing capacity early. Keep capacity to support new product launches. In Rounds 2 and 3, plan capacity to meet demand with some buffer, around 10% over forecasted demand. Slowly increase automation to around 4 to 6 units to reduce costs, but don't rush. Outsourcing is also important. Use a 50-50 split between in-house and outsourced production if you're unsure. Later, you can fine-tune this based on financial performance. 8. Finance strategy. Finance decisions should support your growth, not limit it. In the first 3 rounds, your funding sources will be equity from issuing shares, long-term debt, loans. Avoid short-term debt early on unless absolutely necessary. Keep an eye on your investment budget limit. You'll see it in the orange box in the top right corner of the screen. Use funds to invest in R&D, expand capacity, strategically support marketing and automation. Also monitor your net profit and return on assets (ROA) to ensure financial health. 9. Important reminders. Let's recap the key rules to follow for winning CAPSIM. Checkmark round 1 to 2. Sell your first product to both segments. Checkmark round 3 to 4. Add new products and align each to a specific segment. Checkmark pricing. Stay near the maximum allowed, but within the customer expectation range. Checkmark marketing. Invest early in promotion and accessibility. Checkmark forecasting. Use accurate segment demand forecasting. Never guess. Checkmark production. Balance in-house and outsourced. Don't overspend on automation. Checkmark finance. Use long-term funding sources wisely. Avoid risky debt. Checkmark expansion. Don't rush to add too many products. 3 or 4 is optimal. 10. Summary and final advice. This strategy has helped dozens of teams secure top-tier rankings, consistently scoring between 980 and 999 points across all 8 rounds. If you follow each module carefully, marketing, production, finance, and R&D, you will not only win CAPSIM but truly understand how strategic decisions impact business performance. And here's one last tip: review your results after each round, compare them to competitors, and adjust your strategy accordingly. Success in CAPSIM is not just about having a good plan, it's about staying responsive and strategic throughout the game. Thank you for watching this video. If you'd like personalized help with your own CAPSIM game, feel free to reach out. We offer support for all 8 rounds, and the first 2 rounds are completely free. You only pay if you're satisfied with the results. Email contact imbahelp2002@gmail.com or imbasm1999@gmail.com. Good luck, and may you hit that perfect score of 999 in your CAPSIM journey.